Click on the link below to get price. The Focal ES165 K2E K2 EVO 6.5 two-way component speaker kit is an impressive audio solution that truly elevates the listening experience in any vehicle. From the moment you unbox the speakers, you can appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship that Focal is known for. The sleek design features high-quality materials, with a robust build that feels solid and durable. Installation is relatively straightforward, thanks to the comprehensive instructions and included mounting hardware. The speakers fit seamlessly into most standard speaker locations, making it easy for both DIY enthusiasts and those seeking professional installation. Once installed, the audio performance is nothing short of remarkable. The K2 EVO series is renowned for its clarity and precision, and the ES165 K2E is no exception. With a 6.5-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter, these speakers deliver a rich, well-balanced sound that captures the full spectrum of frequencies. The bass response is deep and punchy without being overwhelming, while the mids are warm and inviting. The tweeters produce crisp, clear highs that add depth to the overall soundstage, making it easy to pick out individual instruments in a complex mix. Another impressive aspect of the K2E speakers is their ability to handle power. With a power handling capacity of up to 70 watts RMS and a peak handling capacity of 140 watts, these speakers can handle a variety of audio sources, from quiet tunes to high-energy tracks, without distortion. This versatility makes them suitable for a wide range of genres, whether you're into rock, jazz, or electronic music. Overall, the Focal ES165 K2E K2 EVO speaker kit delivers exceptional audio quality, robust construction, and striking aesthetics. For anyone serious about audio performance in their vehicle, these speakers are a worthwhile investment that provides an immersive listening experience and transforms your favorite tracks into something extraordinary. Whether you're upgrading existing speakers or starting from scratch, the K2E kit is a stellar choice.